Your Power AirFryer Oven comes complete with rotisserie prongs, which are great for rotisserie chickens and other delicious meals. Here's how you assemble them and insert them into the unit. First, take the rotisserie bar and insert it through the hole of one prong. Line up the tension screw with the indented dimple on the rotisserie bar and tighten. Now, take the bar and insert it through the other prong. Line up the tension screw on the prong with the indented dimple on the bar and tighten. That's it. That's all you do. Now, to insert it into the Power AirFryer Oven, simply take the lifting tool and hook it under the rotisserie bar. Make sure to place the blunt end of the rotisserie bar so it will be inserted into the rotisserie drive on the left side of the unit. The pointed end of the bar goes into the right side. Insert the blunt side of the rotisserie bar into the rotisserie driver on the left, and then slide the pointed side into the preset groove on the right. Now you are ready to activate the rotisserie and watch it spin. To remove the unit, simply insert the lifting tool, hook it under the indentations on the rotisserie bar, lift and remove. Remember, the food will be hot when cooked, so always use protective mitts or a dish towel to protect your hands. Now it's your turn to enjoy your Power AirFryer Oven.